Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a small album haul and unboxing for you guys. Yesterday I went downtown and I visited this store called Sarah and Tom. It's just this K-pop store in downtown Toronto. There's actually two locations and I did go to both, but I only bought albums at one of the locations. The store is super cute and you can check out my Toronto vlog that I did. I'm not sure if I'm going to be posting it before or after this video, but I will link it down below and probably put it in like an info card when it's up. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. So if you guys want to keep up to date with me, I do post quite a bit on there. And let's just go ahead and get started. So from Sarah and Tom, I picked up 3 Persona albums. I only had version 3 and I literally couldn't find the other versions anywhere, and I figured I might as well just try looking for it at those stores or at Sarah and Tom, and they literally had so many K-pop albums. I had to restrain myself from buying all of the ones that I needed while I was there, but I wanted to complete my Persona collection. So I got version 1, 2, and 4. As I said, I only have version 3. And then I went to the other location and I picked up this Tata AirPod case. I haven't put it on my AirPods yet, but this is what it looks like. And then it comes with like the little keychain. I'll actually put it on right now. This is my current AirPod case. I got it off of Amazon. It's so stinking cute. I don't know why the chain like looks like that. So that's what that looks like. So I'm gonna start with Persona version 1. Okay. And like I always do in my album unboxings, I will do a flip through of the photo book, but I'm just going to film me opening them up like this. That's what it looks like. Okay, so you have the notes. Then I have, ooh, postcard! I got a Yoongi postcard! Hey! I'm so happy. I got Jimin for version 3, so I hope that I get different people for the postcards.
I hope that I get different people for the postcards.
And you get the like the film strip, and then I got Hobie. So cute. Oh yay! That's exciting. Literally all of this stuff was on a Yoongi page. They knew that he was my bias. They knew. So we're gonna start with Persona version 1. CD's on the left, and then here's the book. So now for version 2. I hate using scissors on the albums. I don't want to damage them, but I can't open them to save my life. So I'm gonna take the book out. I got another Yoongi postcard. They really said you're gonna be pulling Yoongi because he's your bias, but I wish I got him for like a photo card. I got Jin. Yay! I seriously, like I said before in my other unboxing videos, if you've seen them, I pulled Jin, Hobie, and Tae a whole lot. And I have 2 Yoongi postcards, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with 2, but I don't know, maybe I'll trade one. I don't know, but he looks so cute. And then I love this Jin photo card. He looks angelic, almost, just like very like innocent looking.
Next is Persona version 2.
Now for version 4. Imagine I get 3 for 3 Yoongi postcards.
Imagine I get 3 for 3 Yoongi postcards. Imagine I get 3 for 3 Yoongi postcards.
That'd be funny. Okay. Version 4. I'm scared. I deadass got 3 for 3. Did I not just say that? Oh wait! I got Jungkook for the photo card. And I said I wanted Yoongi photo cards. I didn't mean I wanted all 3 of the same postcard, but it's fine. Maybe I can trade for different ones. I'm freaking dead. That's so funny. He really said, "You're not escaping me today." I'm like, yeah, I know, because I got 3 of you. Cute.
Lastly, I have Persona version 4.
So that was my album unboxing and mini haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below your favorite song from Persona if you got all the way to the end of this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!